Today, we're exploring Wegic.ai, a stunning AI website builder where every section is designed with intention. From interactive animations to seamless UX, this is a site worth studying. Let's break it down.
The Hero section instantly grabs your attention. Bold typography that shifts between two distinct animation styles, keeping the experience dynamic. As I move my mouse, this subtle light follow effect creates a sense of depth and interactivity. And right here, the built-in chat option, this isn't just for decoration. You can literally build your website by chatting with it. Minimal, functional, and beautifully engaging. Just below, we have one of my favorite touches, text with hover-triggered visuals. The first text reveals a background video. The second switches to a playful cartoon illustration, and the third transforms into a live chat interface where you can type and send messages. Beneath that, 3 grayscale website illustrations, Timmy, Kimmy, and Tori, that burst into vibrant red, green, and purple when you hover. Small interaction, huge delight factor. Next up, a cinematic product video that's not just background filler. It perfectly sets the tone for what Wegic delivers, blending branding and product showcase in one smooth sequence. As we scroll, animated images fade and zoom out, perfectly timed with our movement. It's smooth, subtle, and adds a premium feel to the browsing experience. Here, 3 cards come alive with video and animation on hover, walking you through Wegic's process step by step. It's an interactive way to explain functionality while keeping the user engaged visually. This section breaks down how the magic happens. 4 clean tabs, each revealing detailed explanations with smooth transitions. It's a great way to present complex processes without overwhelming the user. The testimonials are playful yet professional. Different background colors light up on hover, and social icons subtly appear, making it easy for users to connect with real people behind the reviews. Finally, the footer ends on a creative note with Timmy, Kimmy, and Tori. Hover over them, and you're greeted with fun animations and tooltips showing their names, a small detail that leaves a lasting impression. Click Templates in the navigation, and you land in a galaxy. Moving stars drift in the background, while the headline text pops in and out with a gentle animation. Scroll down, and you'll find an array of beautiful, ready-to-use templates. And the best part? You can start with them for free. If we go to Wegic Ultra page, a clean, bold hero, centered typography, plenty of white space, and a headline that instantly tells the story. Minimal distractions, maximum clarity. Strong contrast blocks highlight key benefits. The layout guides your eye naturally from text to supporting visuals. A textbook example of hierarchy done right. Clear iconography paired with concise copy makes the automation message easy to grasp. A high-impact CTA section, large button, strong color pop, and zero clutter around it. This is exactly how you drive action through design. A simple step-by-step visual flow, numbered sections, and consistent spacing make the process effortless to follow. Great UX that removes friction. The pricing page is as polished as the rest. Cleanly laid out plans display key features. And when you hover over the info icons, your cursor transforms into a question mark. A sleek tooltip appears with extra details, functional and visually appealing at the same time. It's small touches like these that show attention to UX. Wegic.ai is a great example of how interactive details and clean UI can turn a website into an experience. This site is proof that great design is all about small, thoughtful details coming together. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to PX Mentor for more website design reviews and UI inspiration.